We're just about everywhere you look, but you may not always see us. From the ground to the sky, we're the invisible force that keeps the world running smoothly. No matter where you are or what you do, Brady impacts the world and the workplace. Behind the scenes, we're always at work, ensuring safety, efficiency, and compliance in industries from aerospace to manufacturing, construction to healthcare. With a legacy spanning over a century, we're more than just a manufacturing company. We are a trusted partner. We don't just sell products, we solve problems. We are innovators, driving innovation, powered by a culture of curiosity and a relentless pursuit of why. We are proud to make high-quality products that stand up to any challenge and rise to any occasion. We are united in our shared purpose, committed to making the world a safer and smarter place. We are Brady, a global company built from local roots, solving tough problems, creating meaningful solutions for a safer, more productive world.